Hello guys, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide chat on Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. Let's go. For this, first of all, you have to open your Snapchat app. Now click on chat. Now long press on your friend's name. Now press on chat and notification settings. Now you can see here clear from chat feed. Click on it. If you want to hide or clear chat on Snapchat, you have to press on clear. That's it. So guys, this is how you can hide chat on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.